Here looks to be a Syracuse, it's not wood, a quarter-hour cuckoo clock. It doesn't have the housing on the back, but it does have the bird. It doesn't have the bellows. It needs a lot of work, but I'm up for the challenge. I don't know whether other companies other than Lux made Syracuse clocks. And I looked on Dan and Diane's webpage. I don't see this clock. I don't know if they made quarter-hour cuckoo clocks, but it is a quarter-hour cuckoo clock. But it's going to be fun getting back together. It's nailed on to the housing, as you can see these nails right here. And so the first step is to take the movement out and clean it up. Here's the hour arbor, the minute arbor, and so it's gonna need a lot of work, but like I said, I'm up for the challenge. It was given to me by a friend of mine in the Springfield, Missouri area, and so I'm going to see how it works.